If your company qualifies for Creative Industries Expenditure Credit, you can claim it on costs incurred from the 1st of January 2024. This video shows you how to calculate it. First, you need to know your production's qualifying expenditure. This is the lower of your UK core costs or 80% of your total core costs. The expenditure credit is a percentage of this qualifying expenditure. This is 39% for children's TV programs, animated TV programs, and animated films, 34% for other films, TV programs, and video games. For films and high-end TV productions, you can claim the higher rate of 39% on UK visual effects costs. And for independent films, there's a special rate of 53%. For example, Company X is producing a film. Its total core costs are £1 million, of which £250,000 are non-UK costs. This means that the UK core costs are £750,000, and 80% of the total core costs is £800,000. Company X's qualifying expenditure to date is the lower of these two figures. Company X claimed in the previous period for this film, and at that time had £150,000 on qualifying expenditure. It deducts this from the £750,000 of qualifying expenditure to date for this period, which leaves £600,000. The relevant percentage for Company X's film is 34%. £600,000 multiplied by 34% is £204,000. This is the amount of Company X's expenditure credit. Company X won't receive this amount. It needs to do another calculation to redeem it. For help with this, please see our video, How to Redeem the Value of the Creative Expenditure Credit. Corporation tax is charged on the profits of your separate production trade. To calculate the profit or loss of your separate trade, you need to add on the expenditure credit. Company X's separate film trade made a loss of £300,000. When it adds the £204,000 expenditure credit on, it now has a loss of £96,000. You can get templates to help you by downloading them from the additional information form on gov.uk or emailing HMRC at creative.industries@hmrc.gov.uk. You can find more information about Creative Industries Expenditure Credits on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.